This was how my Adam's apple looked before, and this is how it looks now. So how did I make my Adam's apple look bigger and more masculine? Just by doing 2 simple exercises every day. If you want to achieve the same results, keep watching this video until the end. First exercise, neck setup. Follow along as I show you how to do it. Do this exercise for 1 minute, then take a 30-second rest. Repeat it 5 times. Second, neck stretching. Again, follow how I do it. Do this stretch for 1 minute, rest for 30 seconds, and repeat 5 times. Do these 2 simple exercises for just 10 minutes a day. Stay consistent, and in about a month, you'll start seeing results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Stay strong and stay consistent.